Okay, here we go with weather news today with J7409, the name you know, the news you can use for Saturday, the 12th of May, 2018. This is the GFS map courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. Let's turn it on and let me tell you, be friendly. My subscriber, be friendly before I go any further. You're going to get some rain, my friend, so let's turn it on and get it going. We got strong to severe thunderstorms that's going to develop along a north of a frontal boundary across the Ohio Valley to the northern mid-Atlantic today. Now, the enhanced risk over much of northern Maryland, southern Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey, and northern Delaware is where very heavy rain may be possible with any of these storm systems you see moving across, okay? Now, much of the northern tier states will be cooler. Now, you're going to be cooler through this weekend as a high pressure straddles this region from west to east. Meanwhile, across the south, the temperatures will be near or above normal. Now, an exception is going to be over Florida, where an area of disturbed weather associated with an upper low should bring plenty of clouds and a threat of locally heavy rainfall. The heaviest rain should be along the east coast of Florida, okay? Where up and down the coast of East Florida, you can get anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain that can be expected through tomorrow night. Now, this will certainly keep temperatures relatively cooler as well. We got the fire warnings out. Critical fire weather threat will remain over the next few days as locally hot, dry, and those very windy conditions persist. Many of these areas are in an extreme to exceptional drought, and unfortunately, most of this region is not expected to see any rain through the weekend. Rain and late season mountain snow is expected farther north across the west with a large-scale upper trough amplifying and closing off over the Intermountain West. The heaviest rain and snowfall totals should be over the northern and central Rockies, where moist easterly flow into the terrain will enhance precipitation for a favored upslope region area to receive this. Okay, so we got critical fire dangers. They're existing across the southwest and southern Rockies. We have severe thunderstorms. It's going to be possible today across portions of the upper Midwest, upper Ohio Valley, and northern mid-Atlantic states. And rain and late season mountain snow is expected across the Intermountain West and northern to central Rockies. So that's what it's looking like. You can see that system that I put. Could it turn tropical? Well, yes, there is that chance. We'll have to wait and see what happens, but you can see it as it comes up also in here. Let it click on through a little bit while I'm right here. Here it comes, coming up here, skipping right a little bit along the southeastern sections of New Jersey. But who knows? We'll have to wait and see what happens with this. It could be nothing at all, and it will turn into a nasty low. And for all my friends up in Maine, yes, rain, rain, rain. I think about my subscriber that used to write me back in the cold winter with all the snow that I live in a mud hole. Well, you got some more rain coming up in about 2 weeks your way, okay? With all that said and done, I love all of you so much. Thank you for your donations. They help me to keep on doing what I'm doing and make it each month. If you can't send me a donation, that's okay. I thank you for watching my videos. You guys are the best subscribers in the world, and much peace, love, and kindness to each of you.